Well, hello there, friends. My name is Katie Knight, and I'm the blogging author of Teacher to the Core. And today I want to teach you how to build beautiful cover pages for your TPT products. We're going to be using PowerPoint, and when you start in PowerPoint, you have a nice white slide. This is the product cover we're going to make here today together. Now, back to our white slide, we need a background. So what I want you to do is I want you to click on the Design tab up here along the top part of PowerPoint, and I want you to come to the far right and click on Background Styles. Go down here to Format Background and choose Picture or Texture File, and then click File. This is going to take you to your Pictures file or to your clip art. In my case, I've designed it to take me to my clip art. And I'm going to choose a nice yellow stripe and I'm going to insert it. Once it appears, I can click Close. Now we're ready to add a frame on top. Back to my clip art, to my frames, and I'm looking for a nice large frame with a white inside. Here we go. Right click, come down to Copy, back to my document, right click, click Paste. There it is. Now I want to change the orientation, so I'm going to spin it, and I want to change the size, so I'm going to stretch it. Here we go. Now, whenever I'm making a product cover, I always start with my clip art because it really determines how the text goes around it. So let's go get that clip art. Here we go. Let's get my construction worker. There he is. Copy and paste. Right click, paste. Hello, lover. I love this guy. Handsome devil. And we're going to twist it just a little bit to tilt him. And now I'm ready to create text boxes. There's two ways to create text boxes. You can go to your home screen and choose from your shortcuts menu, text box, push down on your mouse and drag it. Or you can go to your insert tab and then you can choose to insert a text box. Either way will work perfectly. It's up to you. Let me center this. Choose my font and start to type. Now that's a little bit small, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to highlight it and make it a little bit larger by pushing this button that has an A for text and arrow up. And I'm going to move this up just a little bit, create another text box, grab a different font. I like to mix my fonts. There we go. Now I want to keep this tutorial short, and so I've created a little bit of a cheat sheet page that has all of our elements, our background, frames, clip art, and then our different text boxes. So here we go. I'm going to drag my frame in. I'm going to start to bring over my text boxes. Now a friend of mine says, "Why do you do different text boxes, Katie? That seems like so much work." Well, here's the deal. If you try to type all of this in one text box, there's no way your fonts are going to line up. You can't do cool things like tilt them sideways. So on covers, I just like to work with different text boxes. Now, when I'm building a unit, obviously I'm going to be typing like a fluency passage inside one text box. That just makes sense. But for product covers, I build multiple text boxes. Here's my little girl and my drill and my hammer. There you go, friends. It's done, but now it's time to save it. And here's where you have to make a choice. You need to decide if you want to save it as a PNG or a JPEG. You're going to click on File, Save, and then you're going to come down here to the bottom. And you're going to decide between a JPEG, which is a great crisp picture, size of file, or PNG, which is much clearer. Your colors will stay truer, but I have to tell you, it's a much larger file. So it's kind of a tricky choice to make. We're going to click JPEG because a JPEG turns out beautifully, and we're going to name it, Hey, Cute Cover. And we're going to click Save. every slide or current slide? In this case, I just want it to save the current slide. There we go. And now it's saved to my desktop. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope that this tutorial has helped you, and I really hope you come back to visit me on my blog, Teacher to the Core. Have a great day. Bye-bye.